see nothing new. Alright. A Oreo cheesecake.
What size?
Mini.
Mini. A frosted animal cookie, a Wonder Woman, and a raspberry fudge bliss.
All minis.
All minis.
The mini Oreo cheesecake, a mini raspberry fudge, and a mini frosted animal. What was the other one?
The raspberry fudge bliss.
Hi guys! So we came to our local Dairy Queen and to try the new flavors that they have. Rocky has the Oreo cheesecake. What does Riley have?
Frosted animal cookie.
Frosted animal cookie.
I don't know what I got.
Raspberry bliss.
And yeah, the raspberry bliss. And then I got the Wonder Woman.
The white one.
I'm trying mine.
So we're going to try them out for you and let you know what we think of those. We get the minis. We think it's really, really rich.
That's cool to my tooth.
I like mine. Can't describe the flavor.
Oh,
It tastes like
Mine tastes like ice cream.
got chunks of cheesecake and Oreos in it.
Mine has chocolate in it.
mine is so glad.
I really want to try yours. Can I try yours?
I don't know, it has Reese's like little pieces in it.
You gonna try yours?
That's good.
The animal crackers that has the little beads on them. You can taste the beads. That's all you taste is those. Here, I can't hold the camera in. So mine's Wonder Woman. It has brownie pieces and I think cookie pieces in them.
Mine's good.
It's like a cookie overload.
Cookie overload.
Yeah. I think Brahms has that cookie overload ice cream. That's what it tastes like to me. Daddy, you like yours?
Yeah, it's good.
Does it have chunks of cheesecake or anything in it?
Yeah, I think it has chunks of cheesecake and Oreo in it.
This is one of those like frosted with those one dots on it. That's the cookie.
That's the cookie? Yep, there it is.
It's a part of the body.
Keaton, what is all in your ice cream?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? That's berry.
And berries and chocolate.
It has berries in it as well? Is it? Let me try yours.
You use your spoon.
They're mean. Well, mine has already ice cream on it.
Try not to put your tongue on it.
Mmm. It has slivers of chocolate in it.
And it has peanut butter. And it has berry. You can't really taste it.
That's a little of everything in that one.
It's
That's
so
really
yummy.
sweet.
I like it.
All right, well, when you get a chance, go to your local Dairy Queen and check that out. It's a good summer treat. We just got done swimming in our pool, and we came down here to grab ourselves a mini. All right, well, we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.